Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix a Snapchat filter not working issue on your device. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. You'll need to make sure whether you have a stable internet connection or not, or you're connected to the internet connection or not. If not, you need to connect it to a stable internet connection. So that was one of the method. And the other thing what you can do is Snapchat usually update their features every once in a month, so you need to make sure that whether the update is available or not. So for that, open up your Google Play Store and then on the search box type in Snapchat, and instead of open, if you have update, which means that the update is available, updating your application might be able to solve your issue. So doing all of these methods, if you're still unable to fix it, then you can simply report an issue. So for that, you need to log in into your Snapchat account. After you're logged into your Snapchat account, click on the profile or the Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of your screen. As you click on the Bitmoji next interface, click on the gear icon in the top right. Now you'll be taken to the settings interface, and under settings you'll be able to see a list of sections. Now right on top you have my account, so you'll need to scroll down and you'll need to head towards the support section. So you'll need to head towards the feedback section, and under it you'll be able to see a list of options. You'll need to click on the first one, that is I spotted a bug. Click on it. So you need to click on the camera. You'll need to submit a report. For a report, what you can type in is, team, I'm unable to use the filter option on Snapchat, and you can also provide more details about the issue. If you have any photos or videos that shows the evidence that you're unable to use the Snapchat filter, so what you can do is you can click on add attachment, and after that you can then click on choose a topic, which is right at the bottom, and then right at the bottom click on filters. Once you've done this, click on submit, which is right at the bottom. The report has been submitted and it will usually take 24 hours to fix it. Till then, you can wait patiently. You can simply head back to your home screen and then long press on your Snapchat application once again. Click on the app info icon and next interface, click on permission. Once you do that, on this interface, you need to make sure that all of these features are enabled and on the same page. Now what you can do is you can simply click on storage and data, and after that clear cache and storage. Once you do that, sort of resets your features. So those are the method on how you can fix a Snapchat filter not working issue on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.